Hey everybody, a quick note from the editor. Bobby touched on Dixie coming off of the trail in the Q&A, and in case you didn't watch that video, we've thrown a little clip in at the beginning of this one as to the reason why she's coming off.
I'm fixing to send her home a week early because I was gonna have to send her home to go through the Smokies. She absolutely hates the cold weather. The pack, it was a problem. If I got up toward 5 pounds, which would be her limit, she just did not like it on her back. I am terribly saddened that we're gonna send her home for a little while. She will come back at least for, a week here and a week there. If I can't get her to where she's okay with the pack.
Hey guys, this is the fire tower at Wayah, 5,342 feet. I think it's our third 5,000 foot climb. And this one took about 8 hours. Jeez, we've been climbing since early this morning. Wow. Looks like where the kids hang out. I dropped my pack, by the way. Woo. It's cold today. Oh, what a view. Reclaimed lands. Still pretty hazy. Making it bald. That's interesting. Wayah bald. Hustle and bustle. Hey, good morning everyone. Wow, it's a beautiful day. It's warmed up really quick. Feels like kind of a spring morning. Birds chirping, and I feel good. Feel good. I'm getting a little stronger. I can handle the climbs better. And closing in on more milestones, and it's really cool. So tomorrow morning I'll be at the NOC, the Nantahala Outdoor Center. It's a really cool place. Never been there, but it's cool, trust me. And it's an outdoorsy place. Cabins and camping, and you can go primitive, you can go advanced with the power hookups and all, or showers if you just need a shower. Really cool stuff. They got zip lines, got a river going through the middle of it, and so I'm looking forward to seeing it. I'm not going to spend any amount of time there. I'm on a mission, and so I'm gonna keep moving to Fontana and be there Friday, and I'll get to see my #1 supporter for for the first time in a couple of weeks. Sean is going to come up and help me get resupplied, and then it's going to be one of the coolest things I've ever done, and that's going through, hike all the way through the Smokies. You know, it's like 70 miles, and I don't have a really good read on what the weather is like. I know before I left Alabama to start, there was people having to turn around, and because they couldn't get through, 4-foot snow drifts reported, and it was blistering cold. So I don't know if I'm going to see any of that. You know, and there's a possibility of me having to deal with ice, which that's going to be like anybody from the south trying to drive when it sleets, so it doesn't go over well. I'm trying to gather a little bit of information over the next couple of days to make a real good decision about how I proceed there. Do I need to buy any more gear than what I have? For one, I don't have any spikes, strap-ons, so weak arm too. But I may need them, I may not. I don't want to buy them if I don't need them. So anyway, I just wanted to share this beautiful day with y'all, and look at that sunshine back there. I see beautiful little waterfalls like this every day, probably 5, 6, maybe even 10, I don't know. That we just walk across them. The trail just goes right across this, and it's just so beautiful, so beautiful. But this one's special. It's a little different in that it's maybe has a troll. It's the keeper of the gate. How about that? Not everywhere you go that you get to see this. That's awesome. Here's the view from Wesser Bald. 4,600 feet on top of about a 60-foot tower. Oh, incredible. Oh, it's been a hell of a day too. We have climbed and climbed and climbed. And then all of the descents were straight down. My knees are killing me. But this is worth it. Oh my gosh. View from Wesser Bald. special. It's working really nice. My noon hydration. Cheers. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe below and you can continue the journey with me. Chai tea? I like chai tea.